This video I copy for you. It is very important about sun acting, and I understand in 2020 from July sun must act, but from August sun will act. To those did negative behind my page, behind the internet, they cost me my page be closed. So consequences can be serious sun attack, and investigation to the department, costing my page, my mission be stopped from Facebook to the Twitter. So whoever is behind this internet by using or behind the page, they be under serious investigation from August 2020. But I understand it's coming soon, sir.